Hello guys, I got this iPhone X today. The problem was when you turn on the device, it directly restart. So what could be the problem? I tried restore. Um, it shows error 4014. Not the same. Sometimes error number 01 is like that. So you cannot restore it, and I found the solution. So now we're going to open it and remove the battery and remove this cable. This is for the earpiece and flash, front flash. Okay, now that we remove the earpiece and front flash, we will put back the battery and turn on the device. So now it turns on. So what could be the problem? So now we will remove again the battery, the touch screen, and the LCD. So the problem was I think it should be here, because when we remove this cable it works. So we will remove this part. Now that we have the earpiece, this is the earpiece, and this is the front microphone, and this is the flash, front flash. So guys, the problem was the flash was burned. As you can see, there is a black part on the side. So what we are going to do now is just remove this connection. This is the flash, and this is the connection. So now guys, that we remove the front flash connector, we just remove this. So now we will try again. So guys, we'll just put directly the flex cables, and now the battery. Remember, we just remove this. Flash, front flash. It's working, and we don't have a password yet, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed if I have new videos. Click the like button just to motivate me to make more videos like this. Thank you and God bless.